Hello, this is your Ohio Weather Network forecast summary for Wednesday, February 23rd, 2011. Let's start with today's weather headlines. We'll have a sun-cloud mix for today with near normal temperatures in the lower to mid-30s for northern Ohio and probably a little bit above normal in southern Ohio as temperatures make it into the mid to upper 40s. We'll have two storm systems, that will affect us here over the next coming days. We'll have one Thursday afternoon into Friday we'll discuss, and then another one Sunday afternoon into Monday. Both of these need to be watched closely for any changes, and we'll provide updates, of course, as those changes come in. We'll highlight those in just a moment, and you'll also see our 5-day forecast as well and what we're expecting there, too. So again, here's the weather summary picture for today. We'll call it sun-cloud mix, mostly cloudy skies with roughly average temperatures. Again, a little bit warmer in southern Ohio than northern Ohio. Almanac for Toledo for today, 32 is the high so far, 28 is the low. Averages are 37 and 21 respectively. The record high today, 66, set 1930, and the record low is -9, set 1963. Toledo had a tenth of an inch of snow yesterday, 18.2 inches of snow in a month, and 37.9 inches of snow in a year. Just about a foot above normal so far in the snow. Everyone's pretty much above normal now for so far this year, and I think that's going to remain the case. Sunrise, 7:18 in the morning, and sunsets at 6:19 p.m. as our days are getting longer. Okay, so here's the satellite picture for this morning. Mainly cloudy skies across the state. We do have clouds beginning to break up across north central and northeastern Ohio. Nice little pocket of clear skies right here across southeastern Ohio. And there's some spots here in the southwestern Ohio as well. These clouds will begin to break up. We'll have a sun-cloud mix for much of today. Southeastern Ohio may even dry out enough to be mostly sunny. Latest radar shows really nothing to note. Some rain, some snow, maybe some mixed precip out over the middle Mississippi Valley there. Across portions of Missouri and Illinois. Other than that, nothing anywhere near here, and that's going to remain the case for today. So let's get to these storm systems we want to talk about here. Again, the first one, Thursday and the Friday. The models are pretty much agreeing on a track right here across roughly the Ohio River Valley. We think this is actually going to come back slightly north and maybe track just up the Ohio River. Pretty much anywhere between these orange lines here is where we're expecting the track to be. Currently, this is about where the models, this is an average track right here of a few models. We think a couple of them are tracking a little bit further north, a couple a little bit south. We think it'll be a little bit further north. That could push this rain further north. If that comes north, the rain, all of this is going to push further north. Right now, rain, much of central and southern Ohio. A mix across portions of west central, north central, and northeastern Ohio. Primarily rain to snow, a mix in between there. Maybe a little bit of freezing rain. We're not expecting much ice right now. And if this holds, snow across northwestern Ohio. If this track shifts northward, shift all that northward. And if it tracks right up the Ohio River Valley and enough warm air makes it ahead of the system, we could be mainly rain here in northeast Ohio too. So we'll have to watch this closely. We may even have to tilt this a little bit too. So we'll update you here as it becomes a little bit more clear exactly what the precipitation is going to do. Behind it, temperatures will drop off a little bit, but otherwise, ahead of it, temperatures warm up, moves through, temperatures drop back down. Everything will change to snow behind the system for Friday as it moves out, and it'll pretty much be clear of the area by Friday evening. Not expecting major accumulations. Right now, it's really, really hard to say what we're going to look at for accumulations. So we're pretty much going to generally nowcast that one on the accumulation department. It's just so hard to say. We need to see where the system tracks first to see what we're looking at too. So definitely stay tuned for the latest. Next system, Sunday afternoon into Monday. This one is an absolute mess, I will be honest. Anyone's guess on precipitation type. That's why it's green with question marks. We don't know what it's going to be. And to make it even worse, the models vary widely on the storm track. So let's dive into this one here. Again, within the orange lines, the storm could track anywhere within there, we think. We have some models, actually a majority of the models, want to take it up across the Chicago metro area in the lower Michigan and across the lakes, what we call a lake cutter system. There's a model that wants to bring it south, and then there's a model that wants to bring it right across to Ohio. This southerly track, I don't really like that one too much. I think the furthest south it might go is where the first system is, maybe along the Ohio River, and even that's kind of a low bet right now. We're either looking at A, right across Ohio, or probably more likely across the lake. I'm really thinking the lake track is probably going to be the better track right now. Just seems to have more of an agreement with them. Pretty powerful system so far on a few of the models. Maybe a little bit overdone. We'll have to take a look at that and watch it closely. if this northern track happens, we're going to be in the warm sector. We'll be in the 40s. It will be all rain. Behind it, it will change to snow along a cold front, but snow's not going to last real long. The precipitation moves out quickly as this system begins speeding off to the eastern seaboard. If it moves right across to Ohio, we're still going to be mainly rain. It just starts presenting an issue here in northwestern Ohio with maybe some mixing issues. But other than that, it'll be mainly rain as it moves across the state. Given currently we're right over that low. So everything down in southeastern and southwestern Ohio will be all rain. Everything where that low moves through will be primarily rain because it's really going to affect a lot of warm air up into this system ahead of this itself here. So really going to be an interesting system here to watch. Definitely stay tuned for the latest in this one as this gets revised as we get closer to the time period. State forecast for today will call it mostly cloudy skies in northwestern, northeastern, and southwestern Ohio. Clouds will decrease in southeast Ohio, I think maybe mostly sunny. Generally a southerly wind anywhere between 3 to 10 miles per hour. 34 is your high in Toledo, 35 Cleveland, 36 Akron to Canton, a little bit warmer central and southern Ohio, 46 Columbus, 47 Lancaster, 48 for your folks in Athens, 49 Dayton, and 50 in Cincinnati. 5-day forecast for northeast Ohio. Chance of rain for Thursday with a high of 41 and a low of 30. That's what we're going to call it for now is rain. May mix, though. Keep an eye on it. Chance of snow for Friday as the system exits. 34 is your high, 18 is your low. Mostly cloudy for Saturday, 35 on the high, 24 for the low. We'll say chance for rain or snow on Sunday, although we really think this one's going to be rain. Could start out as a mix, though, so definitely stay tuned there. 40 is the high, 32 is the low, and again, we're going with rain on Monday with this system, 43 for your high. Northwest Ohio, chance of rain for Thursday with that system, although it could mix. Definitely stay tuned. 40 on the high, 26 on the low. Snow for Friday as the system exits cooler, 33 on the high, 16 on the low. Chance for snow into Saturday, although it's going to be just light scattered snow, 33 on the high, 24 is your low. We'll go with a chance of rain to snow on Sunday. Going to be real interesting here in northwest Ohio. Could be all rain. Stay tuned for the latest. It may start out as that rain snow, then change to all rain. So we'll keep an eye on that too. Again, 39 on the high, 31's your low. And we're going with rain for Monday in northwest Ohio too, 40 on a high. Southeast Ohio is a little bit interesting too. We'll definitely have some changes here. Chance for rain on Thursday. 47's your high, 36 is your low. Rain snow mix on Friday. That mix will primarily be in the morning and quickly change to rain as the system exits. 43 on the high, 25 on the low. Could change back to a rain snow mix as the system exits too and the temperatures drop. Mostly cloudy for Saturday. 47 is your high, 30 is your low. Rain snow mix Sunday. Start out as a mix, change to all rain. That could change in future forecasts to just all rain. 51 is your high, 36 is your low. Rain for Monday here, definitely rain in southeast Ohio, and 53 on the high. Finally, for southwest Ohio, chance for rain on Thursday, the high of 50, low of 34. Rain snow mix Friday, it'll be rain to snow as the system passes. 42 is your high, 23 is your low. Mostly cloudy for your Saturday, the high of 45 and a low of 33. Chance for rain, again, rain for the next system Sunday and the Monday. 49 high on Sunday, 37 Sunday night, and 51 for your high on Monday. Of course, for all the latest weather information, you can visit our website anytime at ohioweathernetwork.webs.com. Check us out on Facebook and Twitter as well, twitter.com/ohioweather, and be sure to stay tuned for all the latest on these two storm systems. Have a great day.